Let's go guys, K-means clustering in less than 3 minutes.
Welcome guys. So in this video we're going to be talking about K-means clustering. K-means clustering is quite a daunting task in machine learning, and it's quite actually hectic when many people realize, wow, we're going to be doing K-means clustering. This is a difficult topic. I'm not an expert in math. You don't have to be. It's quite simple. So let me just explain it in very simple sense. So let's consider a random set of points here. Drawing these at random. Okay, let me just add one there. Okay, so how do we cluster these into a set of K-means? So the first thing is we're going to have to get these points in a similar order. So first let's take a look at the points which have the most similar order. These things all are most particularly in one group. These points here are most likely and most looking like they're in a particular group. These over here are kind of look like they're in a group. We have these points over here and they're looking like they're in a kind of group. But observe this. If you observe these 3 points, the tricky part actually happens. So what we can do is we can join these 3, but if you look at this group is actually more closer to this than all these 3 distances combined. So that would not be the optimal solution. So what would be better is we actually go and mix these groups up. So what would happen was we just mix that up. And for this point, we just mix this up. Now consider this. These 2 points are almost identical in distance. What do we do next? Well, since they're almost identical, but if you consider this in a plane, let's just draw a plane. Okay, oops, it didn't get perfect. Okay, so in this plane, look at the distance between these 2 planes. Which would be nearer? I would say this one. So what we do is we just go and join this up and cluster it into K-means. This is not the optimal solution. Our K-means clustering would be much better if we did not have these 3 points. But overall, we got the K-means. So that's it. That is K-means clustering. I'll see you in the next lecture.
Hey guys, I hope you learned something out of this video. If you like the videos and if you want to watch more, want to learn about a specific topic, leave it in the comments below. If not, just give it a likes up and subscribe.